Okay, so I welcome you to this short video where we want to look at questions from the 2023 paper 1 of grade 9 examinations. So we go direct to section B, and the first part of section B, we have the question given that M equal to the matrix with the following elements: 4, 7, -2. The first part of 11 is asking us to state the order of matrix M. So how do we work out the first part of question 11? So this is 11A, where we want to state the order of the matrix. So we need to understand that the order of the matrix is about the number of rows by the number of columns. So we're saying just indicate the number of rows times the number of columns. Okay, in short, we say R by C, the abbreviation for row by column. So we shall just check the number of rows. We have 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 by the number of columns. How many columns do we have? We just have one column in this order. So this is a 3 by 1. That is for the first part. We can move to part B. Find 2M. So how can we find 2M? So first of all, we need to understand what is happening here. 2 and M, there is multiplication between. We understand 2 is a number we call as a scalar, and the scalar is supposed to multiply everything that is in M. So we are saying 2M is equal to 2, then times we indicate this M is about the matrix with the elements 4, 7, -2. Okay, close. So the scalar is supposed to multiply everything that is inside. So it shall be, this is equal to 2 by 4. The same 2 multiplies 7. 2 multiplies -2. We need not to forget this is a matrix, so we maintain the brackets. And then you can simplify 2. 2 by 4, we get 8. 2 by 7, we get 14. And 2 by -2, we get -4. So this is what we are going to get for 2M. This is going to be the solution for 2M. I hope we are moving together. We can now move to the other part where we are expected to solve. So this is question 12. We are expected to solve the equation of 4x minus 8 equal to 1 plus x. So what does it mean to solve? We need to understand that to solve is to find the value of. So in here, we need to find the value of x, which is the variable in this equation. And we understand that from 4x, we cannot subtract 8 because these are unlike terms. So we shall do the correction of like terms. This means the 4x shall go with the additive inverse of positive x, which is -x. And this shall be equal to 1 is going to be maintained here. Then the additive inverse of -8, which is +8, shall be added on the other side. So 4x minus x, we are going to get 3x, which shall be equal to, this gives us a 9. We are interested in finding the value of x, so we can simply divide on both sides. So this and that goes, we remain with x equal to 3 into 9, it is 3. So this is for the other part, which is part 12. We can move to 13, which is asking us to factorize completely. So we have 3x squared minus 6xy. So to factorize is to bring out the common factors. So we look at this algebraic expression here, and we can see that from the numbers we have 3 common, and then the variables we have x. So we bring whatever is outside, whatever is common, we bring it out. So we're going to have a 3 from the numbers. Then for the variables, x is common. we take it outside, then inside we open this into that. We are going to remain with x here, then 3x into 6xy, we are going to remain with the negative 2, the numbers, 1x is gone, so we remain with 1y. Can we factorize any further? No, we cannot. So this is where we shall end with our factorization. And if you want to check, you need to do a reverse. So you can multiply 3x by x, should give you what is on top, which is 3x squared. Then 3x by negative 2y should give you 6xy. That is for number 13. We go to number 14, asking us to, okay, let's just read the question. It says, 3 girls shared 2,700 kwacha 00 ngwe in the ratio 1:3:5. How much was the largest share? So from the ratios, we can see that the largest is 5. Now we want to know what this 5 represents in terms of the money. Okay, so we are going to say this 5, which is coming from the total number, or the whole share, which was, we simply add these. So 5 is coming from a total of 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is going to give us a 9. So we need to find 5 over 9 of the total amount, which is 2,700 kwacha 00 ngwe. Okay, so from there we can simply say 5 of 9 shall now multiply the amount of 2,700. The 00 at the end are not significant, so we simply divide into this 2,700. We divide 9 there, it's 1, 9 there, it's 3. So we're going to have 300 on the other side. So this 5 on top shall multiply the 300. And what are we going to get? This is going to give us 1,500 kwacha 00 ngwe. So this is for question number 14. We continue in the next video for the questions 15 and 16. Thank you.